What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to program a key fob for Ford cars. When I bought this car they only gave me the key, but I wanted to have the controller for it, so I bought this one used for $5. You can find it on eBay ranging for around $10 to $15. So I'm gonna teach you how to program it. It's super simple. What you have to do is go inside the car, close the door, and you just have to turn the switch to the on position, not the start position, 8 times, and then you're gonna see how the locks are gonna unlock and lock. Once that happens, you have to press any button on the key fob. So another thing, you have to turn it 8 times, but on the 8th time you gotta leave it on the on position. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can just press the button. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can hear the sound. Let's see. So it's that simple. Now this control, this key fob, it's already linked to this car and to this key. So it's that simple. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please like, comment, or subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and peace.